So as this is coming in, he's got this choke, he's pushing up against the wall. I'm gonna duck my chin as much as I can and pull. What I'm gonna do here is I'm stepping at this angle. I'm gonna have my hand up like a makura, just in case that punch comes in. Got an elbow shot coming across the face, but then I'm gonna go into that capturing position again. So he grabs, his hands up, wham, I come across, and then from here as I grab, I'm turning my body. See how we're turning it in this way? Turning my body back and then down. And I'm not really sliding my body, I'm using torque, maintaining my position to get this Ura Gyaku down. So see how my back's up against the wall? I'm not doing the step back or anything. There's two ways I can lengthen his arm, right? Let's look at this arm bend. I can either step back, and that'll extend the arm, right? Or I can smack him in his face, and if he leans backwards, then that'll extend the arm, right? The key principle is that I'm extending the arm. So when he's here, and he's got a little tighter in here, when I grab, when I throw that elbow shot, that arm, he'll lean back and that'll extend that arm. Wham! See how I'm in that position now? All I gotta do now is just grab and turn, and I just gotta keep him right there as I'm right in position. Right? You guys see that? So let's practice that up against the wall, using your striking technique in those vital spots of the face, backing him up, and by forcing, instead of me stepping back to extend the arm, I'm gonna throw a shot to the face, that'll extend his arm, and then I'll take advantage of that opening, or that gap in his defense for Ura Gyaku, right?